This video will show how to install the accessory hand control clamps on a Victory Octane. First, measure the distance to the ground from the lever to ensure that the angle stays the same when complete. Remove the fasteners on the clamp using a 5mm Allen drive. When reinstalling the clutch side, ensure that the cutout is on the lower left-hand corner. Loosely reinstall the fasteners on the clamp. Use the measurement from the lever to the ground to adjust the lever position, or you can sit on the motorcycle and adjust it to whatever is comfortable. Then torque the fasteners to specification using a 5mm Allen drive. Repeat this procedure for the other clamp.